Now this is the double bind again, because living is a spontaneous process. Just like sleeping, breathing, growing hair, shaping your bones, and so on. You don't have to think how this is done. It happens. Marvelous. But it does. And to let it happen optimally, you mustn't get in the way of it. Living, you see, is something that happens of itself. The Chinese term for nature, when translated into English, means that which is of itself so.